Welcome to the walkthrough of a comprehensive portfolio evaluation notebook. This tool combines robust data handling, portfolio evaluation, and advanced risk metrics to empower financial decision making. Now let's explore its key components step by step. Same as the other notebooks, right after we import necessary data analysis libraries, we configure the constant variables that are going to be needed downstream. These include file paths, start and end dates for analysis, and options to enable simulation modes. This modular setup ensures flexibility across datasets and scenarios. Data loading functions allow us to efficiently ingest large datasets. For example, the readdf function supports multiple formats like CSV and Parquet. The load data function dynamically filters data by date, holidays, and custom conditions, ensuring seamless integration of financial data. Here, we merge portfolio data with prices and other relevant datasets. The notebook supports dynamic portfolio generation from simulation logs or predefined files. This integration prepares the data for analysis and evaluation. Feature engineering is always a critical step. We calculate features like position, profit and loss, and transaction costs indirectly through the calculation of daily portfolio turnover and dollars traded. These metrics enhance the dataset for both predictive modeling and risk analysis. Evaluation metrics are at the heart of portfolio analysis. This notebook computes key metrics including profit and loss, where it measures absolute returns over time, Sharpe ratio that assesses risk-adjusted performance, maximum drawdown that highlights worst-case declines, and win rate that tracks consistency in profitable trades. Each metric provides insight into portfolio performance and risk. This notebook also includes visualization tools. This function generates bar charts and other plots to communicate portfolio trends effectively. Visual insights are crucial for aligning trading strategies and making data-driven decisions. Here's the preview of the process data. We merge simulated position with forward returns, calculate transaction costs, and derive daily profit or loss. The dataset is enriched with metrics ready for analysis. The notebook concludes with a summary of computed metrics showcasing portfolio performance and risk evaluation over time. These insights enable analysts to fine-tune strategies and make informed decisions. In summary, this notebook is a powerful tool for portfolio simulation and risk analysis. With robust data handling, advanced metrics, and visualization capabilities, it equips financial professionals to navigate complex investment landscapes. Thank you for exploring this notebook with us.